Hello everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can change the alarm volume on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. In here, enter the dedicated sound and haptics category, and then at the top of the page you'll have this little, bar or the slider that allows you to change and adjust the ringtone and alert volume, which is also related to the alarm volume as well. So you can either change the alarm volume alongside with the call volume by using this little bar or this little slider, or you can also enable the change with buttons option, so you can change the volume using the volume rocker at the side of your smartphone. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.